ये बेचारा the worst. This is the worst, man. This is the worst so far. Amit Banerjee. Amit, you've just paid for all your sins on earth, man, in broadcast. You got a one-way ticket to heaven now. Saint Peter won't test you now. Oh. Arey, enough, yaar. Spare the dude. What is this? Oh, yeah. Happy birthday.